This is a brief explanation of the idea of policy repair, which we discuss in greater detail in our upcoming article in Public Administration Review. So street level bureaucrats, which are tasked with implementing state policy and delivery of services at the front line, often face multiple challenges during their work. The demand for their services is almost always greater than the resources they have. The policies that they are implementing often do not address local implementation challenges, and the solution to these problems is often not immediately clear to them. This is something that we call policy breakdown. The policy breakdown can, for example, result from the shortages of material resources and equipment at the front line, resulting in something we call material scarcity. Street level bureaucrats may not have enough personnel to maintain the service delivery, or the people they have may not be adequately trained to deal with service delivery challenges. And this is something that can result in people scarcity. And finally, there may also be a policy context mismatch where the specified policy implementation processes simply do not work at that location, resulting in what we call process scarcity. Based on our ethnographic work on frontline workers in Punjab, Pakistan, we found that frontline workers across professional and career hierarchies collaborated to form creative solutions to these emergent service delivery problems. And this is something that we call policy repair. For example, frontline workers did material repair by reusing, scavenging, or improvising new resources from already existing material resources. They also did people repair by learning new skills or taking up new tasks to deal with personnel shortages. And finally, they also did process repair by finding creative ad hoc policy implementation processes whenever the service delivery was threatened. Ultimately, the aim of policy repair was to maintain the service delivery despite multiple challenges and to improve the experience of service delivery for all citizens. This is policy repair, a collaborative, client centered work which finds cheap and locally responsive solutions to both emergent policy problems.